Hi there floor cleaners, it's John here, and in this video I'm going to be talking about why word of mouth is so important in taking your floor cleaning business to that next level. And I'm going to be running through some hacks, cracks, hints and tips about how you can generate word of mouth inside of your business itself today. So if you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called AGB, or Add to Grow Business. We specialize in one industry and one industry only, the floor cleaning industry. Whether you're a carpet cleaner, a tile cleaner, a hardwood floor cleaner, a marble floor cleaner, and so on. We specialize in getting your business booked out with jobs with our specialist digital marketing system. And I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many floor cleaning business owners as humanly possible, not just survive, but thrive, whether that's through working with us on a one-on-one basis inside our program or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right in. The next thing as well, when it comes to creating exceptional customer experiences, always be polite and happy with your phone manner, with your in-person manner. Even if the person is a price shopper, you are going to get really annoying customers. You are going to get price shoppers, so on and so forth. And it's really important that, you don't get defensive, that you don't get aggressive, that you don't get annoyed or frustrated, that you don't get irritated, and that you always have that really polite, high energy, friendly manner. Because you know what, if you come off as being a bit defensive or a bit standoffish, that's going to leave a bad taste in that person's mouth. And here's the really important thing: you can actually have negative word of mouth. If that person's at dinner, oh yeah, what's going on? Yeah, I went to schedule a carpet cleaning, so I wanted to get a price and stuff. The guy gave me a price. He was super expensive. I've seen it cheaper elsewhere. But anyway, the thing that really got me, when I asked him if he could do it any cheaper or whatever, he was really rude to me. He was really nasty, really horrible to me. It wasn't a great experience at all. And then suddenly everyone at the dinner table, oh, what company is that? Oh, that was XYZ Steamers. Now this person has just spread the news, the gossip, that you're not a very nice person, that you're rude and obnoxious just because somebody asks for a discount. And that person's now gone and told 5 other people, right? So even though in the back of your head you're just this person's really annoying or frustrating, you just got to maintain that composure at all times. Otherwise you could get a negative word of mouth, and you definitely don't want that. You want to make the customer feel special. So one of the things you can do is remember their birthday, for example. So let's say, somebody's booked, and you might say at the end of the job, hey, is it okay for me to kind of get you signed up to subscribe to our email list? We'll send you vouchers with discounts off regularly and things like that. And the woman, the person, the guy, man, whatever, man, woman, dog, whatever, says yes, that's fine. And then so as part of the email name, email address, ask them for their date of birth. If it's a form on your website, capture their date of birth as well. And you can set it up automated, so on their birthday, maybe they get some decent discount off, or hey, happy birthday, make your house feel special on your special day. Here's a voucher for a 3-bedroom clean with any 2-room special that you book. Offer ends in 7 days, something like that. And they might think, oh yeah, it's my birthday today. Why don't we, having a birthday party or whatever. Let's get the carpets cleaned. And I'm going to get a special present from my friendly local neighborhood carpet cleaner as well, right? I'm getting the bedroom done as well, free of charge. Amazing. The fact to get an email on their birthday, you've made them feel special. There's a little gift inside that may actually prompt them then to think, yeah, I am going to hire him again. It's amazing that he remembered that Gary, the guy from the grocery store down the street who we told our story to. It's amazing that he remembered my birthday. That's such a nice touch. And again, that's how you get people talking about you. And so you can make it even more personal by doing it as a text. Hey Linda, just wanted to wish you happy birthday today. If you do want to get your house cleaned or something, or your carpets cleaned, or your floor cleaned, or whatever, or throw in a 3-bedroom or whatever, if you schedule in the next couple of days, let me know. Cheers. Right? Keep it personal, keep it friendly, non-salesy, and that person will remember that, And now here's a big one, the next one on the list. This is a pretty big one. Check in with the customer a few days or a couple of days after the floor cleaning has been done. I read a story once, I've talked about this before in another video. There was this dentist in America He was absolutely crushing it. Everybody loved him. People came from all around to have their teeth looked after by this particular dentist. And they said, like, what is it that sets you apart from everyone else? And, they asked the customers, why is it that you'll travel for 2 hours just to kind of go and see this dentist? Why is it, Mr. Dentist, that there's a waiting list to kind of get on your books or whatever? And what he was doing, his hack was that, let's say you just had a fill-in, like typically, you would go and get that done and that would be it, right? And you'd go back to the dentist 3-6 months later for another checkup and that was it. But what was happening, what this guy was doing was he was personally calling his patients like 24 or 48 hours after they'd had their treatment, even if it was like a minor treatment, like a filling or like a teeth cleaning, 24 hours. And it wouldn't be like the receptionist, it wouldn't be an email or a text, it wouldn't be at work, it would be him, the dentist, the guy himself. He would call up, hey Linda, like you had a fill-in yesterday, just wanted to make sure that everything's fine and you're not in any discomfort and everything's like going well for you. Obviously it's like not a big thing, it's just a fill-in, and of course she said, yeah, it's absolutely fine. But that gesture really like made her feel special, made her feel cared for. And then he would check in a week later, hey, you had a fill-in a week later, just wanted to make sure 1 week later that like literally everything's fine. And they really, really valued that. And people started talking about it, right? Like, wow, what dentist, I need to go and get a new crown, I need to get some work, I want to get my teeth whitened. Do you recommend them? But yeah, I recommend these guys. They're amazing. The customer experience is like awesome. I think that was the other thing as well. When you sign up for like a dentist treatment, there's a few like disclaimer forms, insurance forms that you have to fill in, and it can be like a bit of a pain in the ass and stuff like that. They've got it all hooked up digitally. You literally click a couple of buttons on your phone, that takes care of that. The whole thing's like super smooth. And then, like I say, on the back end, he like checks in with the patient as well regularly. And that was something that really took people aback, and actually it generated this huge word of mouth where people were like, wow, like I've never been to the dentist like that before. It's actually an enjoyable experience to go there. Like the whole system, the whole process is like proper smooth, and the level of customer care afterwards is massive. So for you guys, if you've gone and cleaned the carpet, it's not a major job or nothing. Maybe it's like one room and a hallway, it's a trailer. Maybe it's like, a bit of tile and grout in the bathroom. It's nothing major, but to simply like take the time to give that person a call, like a day later, make sure, the stain hasn't come back, carpets have dried, everything's looking like new, and that you're happy. That level of care can be like an absolute game changer, and that alone can generate you huge word of mouth. Like, I need a carpet cleaner, who do you recommend? Recommend these guys, man. Like, they're really easy to schedule. You can go through your messenger chatbot thing. They send you like a really lovely email. They gave me like an amazing discount for my birthday, and they check in with you a couple of days after the carpet cleaning to make sure that everything's smooth. And there was like a little spot that came back, and they actually came back and sorted that out free of charge. Wow, amazing. And they gave me a free bottle of spotting kit as well on their second visit, which I thought was awesome. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button down below. And if you would like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis to take your floor cleaning business to the next level, head down to the description where you'll find a link to our website where you'll be able to schedule a Zoom call with us. See you on the next one, guys. Layers.